Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where map drives are not showing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is a registry editor fix. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Go to the path HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Policies and System. Okay, in the right pane, we will create a DWORD32-bit entry named Enabled Linked Connection. Right click in the open space, new DWORD32-bit value named Enable Link Connection. Double click on it and change the value data to 1. Hit enter and reboot your system. The next solution is a PowerShell command. So we have this command for you. I will share it in the description section of the video. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste this command here and hit enter. It will do the job for you. Obviously, this should fix the problem, but if it doesn't, then the next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, click on Check for Updates in the right pane and let it update Windows to the latest version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.